TopCare HVAC of Oakville offers expert smart thermostat installation and replacement to bring modern comfort and control to your home. Upgrade to a smart thermostat and manage your home's temperature from anywhere. Enjoy better energy efficiency, lower utility bills, and personalized comfort that adapts to your lifestyle. Whether you're replacing an old unit or installing a new Wi-Fi-enabled system, TopCare HVAC ensures a smooth and professional setup. For reliable service and smarter home comfort, trust TopCare HVAC of Oakville, your local experts in smart thermostat installation and replacement.